We reach for the sky, together we fly. Welcome to the third episode of our animated educational series by the Ant Quest. Why are so many people feeling sad, anxious, and low nowadays? It seems like more and more of us are struggling with our mental well-being. But perhaps the problem isn't just external, it's within ourselves. We are not taking the time to cleanse ourselves internally. Our lives have become so busy, filled with endless tasks and responsibilities. We rush from one thing to the next, barely pausing to catch our breath. But in restless pursuit of productivity, we've forgotten something crucial: the importance of taking time for self-reflection. Self-reflection is the practice of setting aside time to thoughtfully consider your actions, beliefs, thoughts, and feelings, often with the aim of gaining deeper self-awareness and understanding. This introspective process can involve a variety of activities such as journaling, meditation, or simply thinking quietly. Reflecting on oneself is similar to looking in a mirror and reporting what you see. It is a method of evaluating our work habits, study style, and self. Self-reflection is the act of evaluating your own emotions or actions with an objective view. A reflective journal can be a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. Don't be judgmental. Just describe what you feel. Just describe. Don't assign value to your descriptions. Write about yourself as if you were a professional journalist. Interview yourself. Like, how am I using my time wisely today? What do I have that I no longer appreciate? Who's in my life that I no longer appreciate? How does my attitude serve people today? In what ways do I compromise my integrity? Answering these questions honestly will allow you to instantly become more aware of yourself. Also, add gratitude as another ingredient to this to help you understand everything even better. Learn to look back at things and compare it to the present moment. For example, things you did in the past versus what you are doing now. So it is literally about looking back and sometimes comparing it to the present so you can learn a great deal about yourself. Don't bring emotions into it and just look at the facts. You'll notice a major positive shift in your life when you cut all the noises and do things that fuel your growth. It's about filtering and managing your thoughts so you don't drown in chaos, anxiety, and overwhelm. Your creativity improves, and you'll be surprised how effective your actions become. It leads to better decisions that shape your quality of life. By making self-reflection a regular part of our lives, we give ourselves the opportunity to process our emotions, gain clarity, and find solutions to our problems. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the busyness of life, remember, sometimes the best thing you can do is take a step back and give yourself the gift of time. And as you embark on this journey of self-reflection and growth, we wish you all the best. Happy journaling! We reach for the sky, together we fly.